Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Norberto Hurtado Velázquez. Activities. Research logistics process. The research logistics process and home. The human population continues to grow and in turn the amount of resources that are consumed also grows. Also, what's below is the thing for a hover service logistics system for plastic products, fabrics, and paper. Plastic recovery proposal. The plastic bottles are filled with all kits of single or multiple use plastic packaging, as well as bags of milk, meat, fish, snacks, mixers, tubes of creams, soap browsers, trousers, and plastic pen holders, snack bags, metallic or plastic fed for backhand wraps, al material or wrapping tab is my component is plastic. These bottles are delivered to the bottles of Love Foundation, and they process the flexible plastic to produce raw material for the manufacturing of rebots or recycling plastic. And why this the house urban putty tab it is donated. Flow chart. A boy consuming separate home is plastic, no pull apart classified in the box and flexi plastic. Put the flexi plastic in the boxes, tie it to nearest collection point. Fabric recovery proposal. Donate before throwing away cells, advice, repair, or mend clothes. Instead of voting for them as hive or second shaft and research some various crafts ideas of craft. The benefits of textile recycling are reduction on the accumulation of textile waste, reduction of pollution, reduction of complex industrial process, economy savings and news learning, reduction on birth rat material, energy saving employment rates, the promotion of a culture or environmental hours, circular economy, sustainable development, conservation of natural resources, and a better quality of life. Packaging proposal. Separate al pair and the covered and the rivers to recycling of recycling comes. At key force with recycling materials. Store documents preferably digital and not physical. If you must print and white do using both series on the file. Involving in the recycling process dashing to recycling and the hurry ahead is essential for the deadly ones to activities habit and practice and drops the limits. Paper recycling proposal by consuming separation and the home recycling collection classification and store transport to factory. New car goes in the factory. Gracias.